This video will talk about how to connect this mini two-way audio camera to the iCam365 app. So when we get the product, we need to connect this camera part to the monitor. And first we need to check whether the connect place has a dust. If it has dust, you use a mouse to blow it. And then connect in the right direction and press hard and turn on this product. And you will hear this sound. If you do not hear this sound, you need to press this button to reset. Press about 5 to 8 seconds to reset and make the doorbell to the parent mode. When we hear these sounds, we open the iCam365 to connect to the app. And scan the QR code at the back of the monitor. And connect next. And make sure your Wi-Fi is 2.4G Wi-Fi. So you need to change the Wi-Fi to the 2.4G Wi-Fi. And input your password. And connect next. And you will scan the QR code of the camera. And connect next.
The mobile phone and the device as close as possible.
Connect cloud server. Please wait.
And
Device added successfully.
name it. Connect next. And add to the app successfully. And then connect the live video to check the view. Check the live view. Because of the mini type cameras have low speed for air cut. For some places have the color cast of this product. So thank you for watching this video.